I've got my brother over here. What's your name, brother?
I'm called Nabil Habib.
Nabil Habib.
Yes, sir.
Nabil, where are you from?
I'm from Uganda, Kampala.
Where do you think I come from?
Hey, y'all, come look at this. Maybe for the first time, I thought maybe you came from India, Turkey.
Are you playing? What type of plane is this?
No, I'm not from India or not from Turkey. I'm from Pakistan, by the way.
Or from Pakistan.
Oh my God! Wow!
Do you have any friends from Pakistan?
Pakistan? No, not really. Maybe you'll be the number one to be my first
I'm
friend.
going to be your number one friend, huh?
It's about to go down.
What language do you speak? You think we speak in Pakistan?
Maybe you should speak Arabic.
هكر 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 يا جماعة لو انتبهتوا لحركاته هكر.
No, we don't speak Arabic. We speak Urdu.
Urdu.
Yeah, it's something like.
It's a language.
My lord, I wonder.
Do you know there are Africans in Pakistan?
Are you telling me the truth?
I don't think we have lots of Africans in Pakistan. I don't think now.
Okay, but actually, let me tell you, there are many Africans in Pakistan. There are people from Uganda, Africans from Kenya, Africans from Burundi, Nigeria. There are many Africans who are studying there and who are also actually married also there and staying there like for life, forever.
Oh my God! Wow!
So I think this is new for you, right?
It's new, very new.
What is this place called?
This one is called the Seziwa Falls in Uganda.
Falls. And
Yes.
where is this in Uganda?
Here, if you find it in Mokono.
How well do you know Uganda?
I know Uganda very well. This is my country. Everything. Just ask me what you want.
It's a must arise and shine. I'm going to arise and shine.
What countries are neighboring Uganda?
We have number one, we have Kenya, it's our neighbor. We have Tanzania, it's our neighbor. We have Rwanda, it's our neighbor. We have Congo, it's our neighbor. We have Burundi, they are all
Okay.
our neighbors here in Uganda.
South Sudan.
South Sudan also.
Okay.
Essentially,
Right
very much.
answer. Right. Do you also have a TikTok account?
I have a TikTok account. You put Nabil 197.
Okay. Guys, I'll be tagging you in my video so you can also check him out. Thank you so much, brother. One love.
One love.